Watch, watch, watch. The world, it's not a plan. You hear me, man? Franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already when I come for represent, you know. You don't know a full effect thing. You don't know it go already when time I aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing, the man drop necessary equipment. You don't know a load explosion, boy, I don't it. Watch. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Hear me, man? You're my subscriber. I swear, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a medley me I go today. So we are going to talk about Ramesh and Shenseea. We are going to talk about Irara and Killer. We are going to talk about King Mix Up. What else we talk about? We are going to talk about the police boy them. So watch. All of my ladies them, I think at 12 now or after 11. Watch ya. Watch how 10 star going with. When she says it's not a lollipop thing. Watch her. Them fucker, I wanna not try them thing in your yard, you know. I wanna see me I do, I lift up the pot with my naked finger and them shit. I do that, you know, I make steam burning up and down and I say, a 10 star do it, you know. I wanna not do that, you know. I try not, I wanna see me do. Try the cooking thing, that thing there. Yeah, man. And then 10 cents. I left all a man like me and gone in a bed with girl. Now care if a video shadow. You're supposed to find 10 star anywhere in bed. If I'm a bed, you're going on and call me if you want a big good beat down. You see what I deal with? Girl forget a big good beat down, and that's how them know Jamaican man. You see me? Big good for girl system. Cause let me tell you something. A Jamaica that and a Hollywood, Ramesh and Shenseea, if you know that, it's an Hollywood. And all Jamaican man get ratings and girls fly from all over the world come and pick up the tall, rough Rasta man them. Some little boy get bad mind cause them see them the girl them the white people them come for the Rasta man them and I carry them all boat over the world. Pussy get bad mind and start rush up them ear for girl carry them. As them reach up here them start make girl sit down in them face. Hear them work. Stay at the yard, wash plate, cook food, go pick up the kids them from school and then go pick up the woman and as she comes she sit down in them face. Then him leave from the woman there to one woman. The woman here give him papers and as him get him papers, him leave the woman and him gone to the next one. And I saw them start move and I fuck up the place. Some boy where you hear them say, so the same set of boy them where you hear them say, them not a problem with the video where Shenseea do, with the two women in a bed, them not a problem with that. Them type of mentality boy that we may talk about. So tell Shenseea say a big out for girl system and girl forget big out beat down. Watch. Hear me now. Irara, you me I say to you. Remember, you know, killer them carry come a jam world, you know, come clash, you know, Brat, you know. I remember you carry up a woman on the stage, you know, because remember them have never brought a court, you know, for rape business, you know, and them a say I'm a pedophile, you know. You carry up a big woman on the stage with a little baby and the little baby pint pan Irara and say, Mommy, pedophile and pint and the whole of jam world burn down flat. And you win the clash because the whole of Lions and the whole of Killer crowd real fear and you win the clash. You never need no more exposure than that, my brethren. When you win the clash, all you did have to do is just drop some big song. And even if you drop okay song, you still have gonna lead. Half of the big highlight the way you get from Jam World. So you never need no more highlight like that than that. And Killer never have to carry go nowhere else from you get that highlight there. Cause make me tell you this. I see him Sting Wayne Wonder call up Buju Banton. And Buju Banton never look back from that. Because no foreigner don't even know that. So Wayne Wonder call him up on the stage. And from the man come up and Wayne Wonder performance, the man just bust out big. And that's why you see all know him can't leave Wayne Wonder. I want to remember, Severus Aman thing did slow down, until Buju Banton start the collaboration with him thing take off back again, look how you come like you don't know, make sure tell you, why you think them not left them one another. From Buju Banton becomes the hot artist in a penthouse and start work with Beres. Him thing take off back again. Because him thing did slow down one at a time. And then a lollipop thing. So here what me I say to you, you see them police boy there who kill the man out of Spanish Town and the other police run them down and lace them up. You don't hear them, the prosecutor put charge upon them. I say people, you don't make this fly over on the head, If the police them are going to get charged all of them things there, them supposed to charge the people them were over them head, the people them who give them car and give them gun and give them all of what them need for go out on the road, go do them foolishness, Because furthermore, them not supposed to depend no duty, The man that need investigation for murder where them commit in a previous murder where them commit. You see what I deal with? So how them get car? How them get gun, how them get access to all of these shit. These stuff are things where you have to go in at the station and sign up for, The station not come like, yeah, they just get up and go pick up things like that. So we don't go on them, for pay for what them do, We want the people them who give them authority, for go do what them for do, and give them position, a government thing, You understand me? I don't know, lollipop thing. Well, hear me now. You see all of the bloggers them on YouTube. Let me tell you something. We not in a lollipop thing, You see say, Sunfest have a award a give. And them want them included the blogger, the blogger them with the most mix up on the internet. And everybody knows say when it come to mix up, nobody on the internet no bad like King mix up. All gyal have run left them man there. I ask them man there for 3 tongue him off. She start argument with them man there. When the man there start rip off argument, she run like thief. If you ask him for 3 tongue him off. Thinking mix up a lollipop youth when it come to mix up. So all of bloggers on YouTube. If say if you no bad mind, I say tell you subscribe and everybody for vote for King Mix Up. Cause when the man win this, I go change him name to World Mix Up. What the fuck do A certain type of mix up. Yo, I really hope I not deal with lollipop thing, What you want to Caesar, give unto Caesar. I say Sunfest have award I give for the most mix up blogger on the internet. And I say a King Mix Up forget it. So I say uno bloggers on the internet. I say uno for vote and tell uno subscriber for vote for World Mix Up. And on a lollipop thing. I want to know a certain type of mix up. Watch, a 10-star way I roll and know how I think already. And hear me before I go. Remember, please tell Ramesh and Shenseea say Jamaica is not Hollywood, but girl get big good. You hear me? Because Jamaica run by what? Wood and water. We're good for mother and daughter, you hear me? You don't know. My grandfather has you and make me know, son, if you want the pot for boil, big wood have to push a fire. Because small wood can't bubble up pot. Small wood have to burn out quick. A big wood have to push a fire and make pot boil up if you want the pot for boil. Son, and a lollipop thing. So you make certain Shenseea Ramesh know that it's a big wood for woman system. Not girl. Watch. 10-star way. Watch.